So object, it is nothing but it is decided by the incident ray. Whatever the rays is coming from the light to the object, that ray is the incident ray. Okay, so we have two types of incident rays, that is real and virtual. So the first one, we have said that the point where the rays are moving to other directions, diverging that point, is called a real object. So the point is there between these lines, that is our real object. Okay, now second one, virtual image. Okay, so virtual image, for that I have a drawing one shape here. Suppose this is the mirror. Okay, this ray, this is the incident ray. Okay, they will reflect like this, and this also incident ray, and this reflect like this. But they are not meeting the points, but by imaginary, by imaginary, they meet at one point. Okay, so this is the point they will meet, imaginary. Okay, so we'll write it is formed by the converging, because here the diverging rays, right? But here they are converging imaginary. So we can write here it is formed by, it is formed by converging of incident rays. Converging of इंसिडेंट रेस. यहाँ पे क्या था, डाइवर्जिंग रेस पॉइंट पे आ रहे थे, यहाँ पॉइंट कहाँ बन रहा है, कन्वर्जिंग, यानी ये दो इंसिडेंट रेस जो है ये क्लोज हो रहे हैं, मींस दे आर कन्वर्जिंग, देन ओनली द पॉइंट इट बिकम्स. बट हियर the rays coming to the point and they are reflecting in the other directions, they are diverging, so they are making the point here. So in the real they will diverge, in the virtual they will converge. Is it clear to you all?
Yes. No, sir. Can you explain one more time?
Okay. Example, I have a bulb here. Okay, there is one apple. Okay, so the ray is coming here, incident ray is coming here, and they will reflect. Suppose you are seeing, you are watching.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
I want you to speak some louder, sir.
Okay. So this is your eyes. Okay, you are watching this apple. So the incident ray, it is nothing but which is coming from the light, and it is reflecting to your eyes, right? This is the reflected ray. Okay, so they are diverging. So it is a diverging process. So this apple, this point, the point of apple, it is a real object. Okay, this is a real object. Now, second, if I take the example, if you see the mirror, okay, the mirror, when you come to the front, आप जब भी mirror के सामने आओगे, if you take an apple in front of mirror, then only you can see the apple into the mirror. Okay, if I move the apple, अगर मैं apple यहाँ से हटा दूँ, so can you see the apple in the mirror? Is it possible?
No.
No. So this is the diverge, this is the converging. Okay, this process is the converging process. That's why you won't see the apple. So it is imaginary. When you come to the front into the mirror, then only you can see the object. So this is the virtual object, we can say. Virtual object. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
very
sir.
nice.
Yeah.
So copy these points better. Let's move on. We have seen the light. We have seen the ray of lights. We have seen the object. Now comes to the image. These are the important points of this chapter beta. Keep in the mind, if you cover these points now, you will cover up the chapter 1 and chapter 4 very easily. We will very short, we will do the our these two chapters. Okay. Now come to the image. So what is the meaning of image? See, object, it was nothing but it is decided by the incident ray. So similarly, image, it is decided by the reflected rays. Whatever the rays are reflecting, that is the image. Okay, image कहाँ पे form होता है बेटा? Image will form into our eyes. Okay, जो भी आप चीज देख रहे हो, that is the image. Okay, not a object into your eyes. अगर मैं आप लैपटॉप देख रहा हूँ तो लैपटॉप मेरी आंखों के अंदर नहीं है, लैपटॉप वहीं पर है. The just image is coming into my eyes. Okay, that is a image. Is it clear?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, very nice. So what definition we will write here? It is decided by reflecting or refracting rays. Reflecting or refracting. Refracting is the chapter number 4. We will discuss later. Okay. So the image is formed. It is decided by reflecting or refracting rays. Okay. Now we have two types of images, objects, right? Real and virtual object. Here also we are having two types of images, the real image and the virtual image. So let's talk about the real image. What's the meaning of real image? What are they? We will see here. Okay. Now, did you use the camera? Old picture cameras, when you take a pic, you will get one soft copy of that picture. Or you remember that? Pictures?
Yes.
Passport size
Yes, sir.
photos, passport size photos, that all are the real images. Means whenever you want to see, you can see that pictures. Okay. When you use the mobile phone, you will take a picture into the phone, right? So if you take any picture in that, means whenever you want to see that picture, what you will do? You will just go to the gallery and you will see that picture. That is the real image. Okay. That is a real image. Did you understand the real image, beta?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
सबको समझ में आया?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Excellent. So now I'll show you one diagram also for that. Example, there is a space surface. Okay, there is a mirror. Okay, and there is one object here. This is nothing but object. I'll just break it. Okay, so this is an object. The first ray is travel. Suppose this is our first ray, incident ray. Okay, what it happened? It will diverge. It will reflect like this. Okay, it will change the position. Second one, we will discuss this all things, how it's doing. We'll see later. So this also one image is traveling. So are you able to see that 2 points are meeting at 1 point?
Yes, sir.
This is the point, right? This is the point. So the image will be reflected here. Okay. This is the image. Okay, we will discuss in chapter number 4 and 5 about this image deeply. Okay, so just remember, keep in the mind. So let's write some point here about real image. Are you ready?
Yes.
Very good. So the first point we will write the image formed by really. The image formed by really converging of reflected rays converging of reflected rays or refracted rays. Next point we will write It is obtained on screen. Where it will come? It is obtained on screen. Okay. Third one we will write. Real images are inverted. Real images are inverted. What is the meaning of inverted, students? Example, there is an arrow mark. Okay, suppose this is the your image. Okay, object. So the real image will be inverted, means it is reverse. Like this you will get. Okay, real image हमेशा क्या रहेगा? Invert रहेगा, यानी उल्टा रहेगा. Is it clear to you all? Now, example, we will see some examples we have. The first one you can say projector. Projector को आप कहीं भी बैठ के आप देख सकते हो, right? Now, cinema halls. By any place in the cinema hall, you can able to see the picture, right? Or we can say cameras, etc. Is it clear? Real image to everyone, students? This is a very important concept, beta. Are you understand? Very good. So please copy these points, beta, of real image. So next one is virtual image. The virtual image, it is nothing but which can't be seen on the screen. जो screen पे नजर नहीं आता वो virtual image. Example, the best example is the mirror. Okay, when you stand up in front of the mirror, then only you can see you, right? Your face and everything. But if you just move aside, can you able to see your mirror? Can you your picture will come on the mirror?
No.
No. So that is our virtual image. That is the meaning of virtual image. Got it, students? समझ में आ गया?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. So let's write the point for this. The reflected or refracted rays. The reflected or refracted rays are not really converged they appear to converge. They appear to converge. Okay. Example I can give you. The best example. Suppose this is our surface area. Okay. This is our example. This is a mirror. Okay. Now, there is your object. Okay. Now, this object rays, the first ray straight, because of it is a diverging process, right? So, in diverge, what will happen? It will reflect other side. Okay. Similarly, if I one more ray travel, will go very straight. So this is the incident ray. They are diverging. This is going very straight. So if you see the difference, are they diverging, converging? See here, they are moving ahead. They are moving ahead, right? They are not going closely. अगर close जाएंगे तभी image form होगा. If you see the previous picture, you will see that the reflected rays are going, they are converging. When they are meeting at one point, then only we are forming the image. But here, if you see, they are moving ahead. They are दूसरी जगह जा रहे हैं ये लोग. Okay, they are diverging. So what definition is saying? The reflected refracted rays are not really converged. They appear to converge. They appear to means behind the screen only they have to make a interact. Like example, I'm drawing here with black only. See, this is the reflected ray, right? So this is our ray. Appeared ray. Appeared ray मतलब image यहाँ पर form होगा. Okay? ये हमारा image होगा. Understood, students? समझ में आया आपको ये point?
Yes, sir.
इमेज स्क्रीन पे फॉर्म नहीं होगा, इमेज पीछे अपीयर्ड होगा. यानी जैसा कि आपको बताया मैंने, मिरर के सामने अगर आप खड़े होगे तो आप अपने आप को देख पाओगे, उसके अलावा नहीं देख पाओगे. सो दिस सेम एग्जांपल हियर ओनली. अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स? आर यू? नाउ सेकंड पॉइंट वी विल राइट, it is not obtained on screen. It is not obtained on the screen. Okay, and it is an erect image. It is an erect image. Erect image means we have learned about inverted image, right? Inverted means opposite. But here inverted means if there is an image like this, object is there, so the image also in the same way, but the size will little bit small. So जैसा ऑब्जेक्ट का शेप रहेगा वैसे ही इमेज का फॉर्म रहेगा यहाँ पर. Is it clear to everyone? Example, we can say image formed by the plane mirror or water. Image formed by plane mirror or वाटर. ठीक है, तो जब आप मिरर और वाटर के सामने खड़े होंगे तभी आपकी पिक्चर बनेगी, और अगर हट जाएंगे तो पिक्चर भी चली जाएंगी. दैट इज अवर वर्चुअल इमेज. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन?